G'day everyone, so today is new iPhone day finally for me, and I have always thought that the first thing you should do when you open a box is put the protection on the phone. So today we're installing ESR's classic screen protector and ESR's hybrid magnetic case. What I really wanted to talk to you about today though is the screen protector installation kit. As you can see in this box, you get this black sort of tool inside here that ESR claim allow you to fit your screen protector on your phone perfectly. Perfect alignment with no air bubbles or anything like that. I've used ESR's products on my older phone, which is my iPhone 14 Pro that I'm upgrading from, and they've done a really great job there, but this is a much more sophisticated version now. So I've got a lot of faith this is going to work. Hopefully it does. This is my first time. So let's get into it and see how we go. So inside the box, you get a little bag with a setup video and a few screen cleaning wipes and bits and pieces like that. You also get 3 screen protectors in here. So you have either 3 chances to make a mistake on this, but I think really you've got 3 or 2 backup screen protectors for in the event something does happen to your phone. But fingers crossed that is not the case. So let's go ahead and try this out. So inside the bag you get 3 screen cleaners, a cloth and dust removal kit as well. We won't be using those because the phone I have never lifted out of the box yet, so it should be perfect. But if you do need to replace things later on, well, you've got some cleaning kits here to help. Now we just press here. Now we give it 2 seconds. Give a little pressure on a few of the edges. Oh, go away, phone. All right, check this out. Perfectly fitted, perfect alignment, no air bubbles, and about 10 seconds of installation time. I've got to say, this is the easiest screen protector I have ever fitted, and it's so much easier than the screen protector I fitted on my iPhone 14 Pro. So now we're going to install the hybrid magnetic case. Got a warranty, manual, case is in the box. I really like that the whole back of the camera is protected, which is really, really good. Now we'll just clip that in. There we go. Now the phone is perfectly fitted, perfectly protected straight out of the box. So I just started to kind of clean up my iPhone 14 Pro for sale, but I thought I'd just quickly show you. I already lifted up the corner, so ignore that. The ESR products that I fitted to this 3 years ago, I'm effectively have just fitted the equivalent product. So this is the equivalent case that I fitted 3 years ago. As you can see, it's got a little bit of yellowing, but it's reasonably pretty good and has held up very, very well. This screen protector, this is the one that I fitted 3 years ago. Got a video on that as well. And it has done its job perfectly. So I'll be taking this off now. I have recently, unfortunately, cracked it in a few spots and things like that, so it has done its job to protect the phone. And this little bit of an air bubble here is because I just started to kind of lift this up. But I'm going to remove this now and show you that the phone screen underneath is in perfect condition. As you can see, got a few cracks and things like that in it. Alright, so this is my old phone, the 14 Pro, which had the equivalent ESR products that you could get 3 years ago fitted to it today. Just taken the screen off, have a look at that. The screen is in perfect condition. So once again, I fitted this straight out of the box, and just flipping around to the back, as you can see, this case did its job in protecting the back as well. So thought I'd show you what a 3-year-old ESR product looks like, and hopefully that gives you some confidence. So that's how you protect your new iPhone straight out of the box. And for the classic screen protector and hybrid magnetic case, I do have links in my written description so you can find these, as well as the stronger versions of their screen protector. The kit is the same to install, but I will have to say this is the easiest screen protector I have ever installed. ESR continually seem to push the user experience to better and better with their screen protector kits, and I love that they throw a few extra spares in the box. The hybrid magnetic case, it's a super affordable option, very comfortable, and the perfect blend of grip and smoothness so you can still get the phone easily in and out of your pockets. Once again, my iPhone 14 Pro had the similar case, and this is what it looks like after 3 years. I haven't even cleaned that properly, but it's done very, very well. So I have confidence that both of these things will last the lifetime of the phone. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and we'll see you around for the next video. Thanks a lot. Cheers.